will throw this one to you, Joseph. Have they found the knife, and how important is it that they find the murder weapon in this case? This comes from Diane Zantana on YouTube.
Hey, Diana. No, to the best of my knowledge, they haven't. I think the thing I've been curious about all along, because they were very specific with their descriptors about the weapon, the alleged weapon that was used in this case, and they've used terms to describe it as military style, hunting style. There was even Rambo floating around. K-Bar is a specific brand, but those fit a specific weapon profile. The term large knife has been used as well. My question, uh, I don't think they have the weapon. However, how did they arrive at that conclusion? There's been a lot of stuff floating around the internet relative to the news media going in to interview shop owners saying, was this type of knife purchased there? I don't know that anybody's been able to confirm that necessarily. So that brings us back to more of a fact-based crime scene investigation. Uh, was most of these knives have a sheath? Was it dropped at the scene? And I think that's a very basic question. It certainly needs to be asked. We'll find out if that is the case, but that would certainly be a tie back. I think the weapon is going to be important as far as connectivity to the alleged perpetrator and these injuries. The injuries will have been very well documented. I could do a deep dive on the injuries alone, maybe another time. But again, I go back to this vehicle. The vehicle is going to be very important as well because it's a conveyance. It's a conveyance relative to these events, perhaps. We don't know all of the details yet, but we do know that he drove around in that vehicle. And they were looking for a similar vehicle that night. So I think that's a big piece to this.